If you've been around this channel or PHLster as a brand for any length of time, then you have probably heard the term Keel Principle. The Keel Principle essentially tells us that if there is not enough gun below your belt line, then the top portion of your gun will want to tip away from your body. This can cause printing as well as painful hot spots from the muzzle pressing into your body. One of the primary solutions to this problem is using a holster that is longer than your gun in order to add more material below your belt line. Another great way to add length to your holster is by simply adding a holster wedge to the back side of your holster and installing it so that the wedge itself hangs off of the end of your holster. You may not get the exact same results as you could with a longer holster, but it's definitely a solution worth trying before you purchase an entirely new holster. With all of that being said, you may still find yourself wondering whether or not your concealment problem could be solved by adding more holster length below your belt line or not, or if this Keel Principle thing even applies to you. Most people can benefit comfort and concealment wise by using a longer holster, but there is a whole category of users who are more likely to actually reduce their concealment by adding holster length below their belt line. Additional holster length can work really great for those who wear looser fitting pants or longer shirts, but can actually cause noticeable below the belt printing for those of us who wear fitted pants, leggings, tucked in shirts, or even crop tops. Keep in mind that added holster length fundamentally adds more bulk below your belt line. In addition to potentially causing issues for those who wear tighter fitting pants, added holster length is also not ideal for those considering deep concealment as a regular carry method. Deep carry simply means that your entire gun, including the grip itself, rides below your belt line. When it comes to deep carry, the entire gun is riding below your belt, so the Keel Principle itself no longer applies. So in summary, extra holster length might be right for you if you have a short, top-heavy gun, you have a bit of a gut, you get painful hot spots where your muzzle pokes you, or you get a lot of grip printing. However, extra length might not be right for you if you wear tight pants, you are very short and don't have a lot of torso length, or you plan on deep carrying. If you're looking for more resources on this topic, then definitely check out some of the links down in the description below. I'll put links for making your own DIY wedge, wedge placement, wedge mistakes, and our concealment sweet spot walkthrough videos.